Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to a new video. First of all, thank you very much for the supportive comments, and for the non-supportive comments, thank you as well. It's good to have different opinions. Now, 2014 patterns are broken at this moment, and the Bitcoin chart is looking bullish. It's looking very bullish at this moment. However, okay, and please guys, I don't want you to think here that I'm being stubborn and that I don't want to admit my mistakes or anything like that, because honestly I would prefer 100 times more to be wrong, okay, that I have been wrong all along. I would prefer that than being right, because I have been making a lot of money with this bull run since the beginning of the year. So who cares if I'm right or wrong? I want to continue to make money. You know, it's secondary. That YouTube channel is secondary. What's important is, you know, to be able to continue to make money. But however, we have to be realistic, guys. And this, even though the 2014 patterns are broken at the moment, this still looks like a classic bubble top, guys. I mean, it's not that I'm stubborn. It's like I have the Amazon chart here again, comparing with other markets, and you can argue that cryptocurrency is different all you want, but I mean, weird things happen, okay, and crazy movements happen. It's not like we've never seen them before in markets. Of course they happen, but it's not the most probable thing to happen. I'm actually trying to give accurate readings here, so I'm not gonna go for something that it's not as common or not as probable. So back to the subject. I have here the Amazon chart, okay, during the bubble, the dot-com bubble. So you can see here, it goes up to all-time highs and then it crashes very, very hard. It touches moving average, it bounces back up and it breaks the previous all-time high, okay? It breaks it for a little bit. And then it crashes back again, some up and downs like we've been seeing with Bitcoin. Goes up, then it corrects, like very, very similar with what we have been seeing here. And then all of a sudden it bounces back up and it breaks the all-time high again. But it gets close to it, right? As you can see here. This is a very, very classic top market setup, okay? I could show you many other charts. I'm not gonna go over every single bubble in history, but you can see it. And then from here it crashes for good. So it's not uncommon to break the all-time highs by a little bit and then before crashing for good. However, with this being said, I am more bullish with Bitcoin than I was before. Of course, I will be changing and adapting my strategy and making a new assessment as soon as I can identify a trend reversal. If I find myself, like 2 months ago, if I find myself in a downtrend, all of a sudden I get out of there. And that's what I have been doing. I have been selling on the highs. I have been accumulating at the beginning of the year, and then I sold. Let me put the daily. Okay. So I have been selling the first crash we had. I sold here on this high, then we had another crash up down here, then I sold here in this other high, and I think I sold here in this other high as well. So I've been selling, I sold half of my Bitcoin here in this high, and then a little bit more here, and then a little bit more here. And I still have some, I don't have that much left, but I have some in my local wallet and I have in a couple of exchanges. I use only local Bitcoins and Bittrex. So I have some Bitcoin there as well, which I'm holding right now. I didn't have any intention of selling it, whether it went up or down. I was gonna hold it because I got it very cheap anyway, so I'm not stressed about that. So let's get into the analysis. Let's see what would be the new assessment. Ethereum, by the way, going up as well. Let me open a new chart here to make new lines. So I'm going to use the Bitcoin USD one-day candles from Bitstamp, for example, because I want a clean chart. Okay, so with this being said, the new assessment would be if Bitcoin actually holds it and it doesn't fall through now very quick, just as quick as it went up. If it actually holds the all-time high, it's important to see the weekly candle, where it's going to close on the weekly, okay? So let me delete this one. So here we have the previous all-time high. Let's see where it closes the weekly candle and how the next weekly candle is going to react. So, but with this being said, guys, if this confirms to be a bull market, still an uptrend, man, I don't know how high this will go, but it could go very, very high, 5,000, 10,000, I don't know. This is a new paradigm. Again, it wouldn't be common for this to happen, honestly. I would be very, very cautious. However, if it does, I'm going to be more bullish like anyone. I will be bullish again like I was 2 months ago, if this actually holds. So let's see. If we use the Fibonacci extension tool on the weekly candles, from where this wave, last wave started, huge wave here and huge retracement. But if this continues to go up, guys, A, B, C, in which case, I'm gonna be very happy that I have been wrong all along. So here we have it. It could go as high. For now, it's I don't know, it's looking like it passed the 0.618. It could be going to the next one. So it passed this Fibonacci level at $3,155. The next one is at 3,500, almost. 3,500 would be the next Fibonacci level. Since we don't have resistance lines above because we are in the all-time high, it's very difficult to predict where it's going to stop. But all we can use is the Fibonacci extension. So the next line would be at 3,500. The next one up would be at almost 4,000. And we have more lines up here. Can you imagine? Look at that. 7,000, did I skip this one? 5,200 almost, 7,000, 9,000, and 10,000. So guys, if this confirms to be actually in a bull run, the limit is very high. However, I'm gonna be waiting. This is my assessment and my strategy. Of course, everybody is free to do whatever they want, but going long at this moment, to me, is gambling. So what I will do personally is I'm going to wait for the weekly candle to close and see where it will close and see if the next weekly candle starts retracing heavily or not. So until then, I'm not doing anything. I'm just watching, okay, guys? Even if this means missing out, I'm happy with holding what I have in the exchanges and in my local wallet. I'm happy with that personally. I don't get any fear of missing out, being in an all-time highs, and I don't buy into that. Now, big money doesn't buy into highs either. Okay, so here is the logic. That's why it would be more common for this to pull back then continue to go up. Big money don't buy into the highs. Big money, they accumulate in the lows and they sell on the highs, like I've said that I've been doing. It is not that I invented this rule, it's just how markets work. However, again, weird things do happen, crazy mega tops do happen, so this is looking bullish at the moment. So this is the assessment for today, guys. I'm gonna continue to update constantly because this is very exciting times. I have been a Bitcoin holder for a long time. This is very exciting for me too. So guys, I'm gonna leave it here. I will be updating very, very soon. And thank you very much for watching, for the support. I'll see you soon. Bye.